Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a healthy protein pack Rajma red kidney beans burrito bowl, a perfect fusion of red Indian kidney beans with a Mexican style burrito bowl twist. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add olive oil or a regular oil, 1 tablespoon. Now add half a chopped fresh onion and 1 tablespoon of a garlic paste. Saute this for about 5 minutes until the onions turn soft and fragrant. Now add 2 crushed tomatoes to the pan. Mix well. Now add the spices, 1 teaspoon of a cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of a red chili powder or paprika, 1 teaspoon of a taco seasoning, salt to taste, half teaspoon of a garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of a turmeric powder. Cook this masala for about 10 minutes, stirring in between until it thickens, the oil separates slightly and the raw tomato smell is completely gone. Once the masala is ready, add boiled kidney beans, rajma into the mixture. Mix everything well so the beans are nicely coated with the spices. Let's cook this for about 5 minutes. Now add 1/3 cup of the reserved kidney beans boiling water. This gives the gravy a rich, smooth texture. Let it simmer on a low heat for 5 to 10 minutes until the rajma becomes soft and flavorful. Finish with a half lemon juice and a handful amount of a fresh chopped cilantro. Turn off the heat and keep this aside. Now let's prepare the veggies. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add sliced onion and bell pepper. Season with salt, black pepper and a 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning. Saute for about 5 minutes until the vegetables are soft but slightly crunchy. Remove from heat and set aside. Now for the lemon cilantro rice, I have already cooked my white rice. To season it, add a half lemon juice, a handful of fresh cilantro, salt, black pepper seasoning. Mix everything well to make a fresh lemon cilantro rice. Now it's time to assemble the burrito bowl. Start with a base of the red kidney beans gravy first. Then lemon cilantro rice. Add the sautéed veggies, some fresh lettuce, a yogurt avocado drizzle, guacamole fresh, you can also add avocado slices, and finish with a crunchy blue corn tortilla chips or any regular chips like corn chips. And that's it, a healthy high protein rajma burrito bowl that is comforting, filling and full of flavor. It's ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. I will see you soon with another healthy recipes just like this. Until then, bye.